Hello my friends, here's SAkGUY. Today I want to show you a knife which I found, and I'm not exactly sure about the name of this knife. It's a Victorinox knife, I think. The only blade stamp is inoxide with yes, what's the name of this in English? Crossbow? The bow? You can tell me what the right name is. I think this is a Victorinox knife. It's similar to the Sentry Victorinox model. It's a 84 millimeters knife. Here this is also 84 millimeters. Only one blade, and the scales are, yes, something I don't know. It's not like plastic, but it's not horn, or it's no stack, no pearl. I do not know what this is. It's old, I think. So the blade is polished. Yes, and it's very sharp. I can show you. Very sharp. Yes, maybe you can tell me if you know what kind of knife this is. I like it. It's very slim. No back layer tools, only the main blade. Here you can see that the blade is a normal blade which can be used for another small blade or another tool which is at this position. Here you can see. Yes. Thanks for watching this little video, and stay on my channel, and yes, comment this please, and we will see us again. Bye bye.